There's a lot of activity here in the Pinal County election offices. ES&S is conducting a major upgrade to the election equipment used in this county. There are several observers from the Republican Party, from the Democratic Party, who want to know how elections in Pinal County work, and I'm here to help answer questions. Today they're working on the express vote ballot marker devices. These are devices that were originally designed for the ADA community. People that have difficulty using paper and pencil or pen to cast their ballot can do so on an electronic ballot marker. And it's a big electronic pen, that's all it does. It helps people by recording their choices and then printing out a ballot to be tabulated elsewhere. Express votes are so popular that in many states and jurisdictions they are used for all voters. Voters sometimes make errors on hand-marked paper ballots that cause overvotes or undervotes. If a voter attempts to overvote, they get an alert on the screen that they've made too many choices. If they undervote, they get a reminder that, hey, you're allowed to vote for 2 or 3 or whatever that number is. And it gives the voter an opportunity to fully cast their ballot for all the candidates and races. So it improves elections, and over time it costs less. There's 110 express vote ballot markers here in use in Pinal County. It'll take the technicians a week to go through and update the devices. They're removing the old software and preparing the device to accept the new Windows 10 more secure software. That involves wiping, deleting, or reformatting the CFAS card. Now, these devices don't save ballot information, they don't save votes. They're simply designed to help a voter cast their ballot. So they'll contain the programming for a particular election, and these technicians are preparing those devices to accept the new version of software. So the new version is based on Windows 10, a highly secure and drastic improvement over Windows 7. And now we're going to county by county to all our customers offering this new upgrade. Pinal County was at the top of the list, and we're here today installing this new upgrade. Some of the features include better security, more functionality, more resistance to things like weather and high temperatures and things like that. So the software and the firmware work together to enable the ballot marking device to operate securely, and that's what the guys are doing today. These technicians will come back next week and upgrade the central count tabulators. These are the large ballot counting machines that the county uses to tabulate ballots. I applaud Pinal County for their ability to step forward and want better security for election technology. Technology is just part of the election ecosystem. It also includes people, the county election officials, and the processes they use. So we are doing our part to make sure that the technology here in Pinal County is as secure and reliable as it can be.